Hello, Pico. First, as always, how'd you do it? I don't know. I've messed up. And it's for a customer that's desperate for it. So I'm going to have to give him the bad news. Is what it is. What happens. See what he says. Hello, Ozzy. Hi, guys. As you can see, there's two blown components. And I must have done it when I was testing the relays in circuit. I did smell burning, so I think it's taken out these. Hello, Chris. So I've just fitted the relays and I was like, right, it's still not working. What have I done? And I think I've burnt out these components. Yeah, it's been released. Hello, James. And he wanted it. He's desperate for this, and now I've got to order these two components. I have to say to him, look, mate. I was testing the old relays, and I think I may have burnt out two other chips because they failed. Hello, Fishing Frustrations. So now I've got to try and find these two chips. The A4. So annoying. So I found the big one online. It's a ULN 2003. But I found one on RS Components, but it's got AN at the end. So I don't know if that matters or not. So confused. I cry. PCDD, hey. Not so much happy Monday. Now, does the AN on the end matter? Because I can't see another one without the AN. Wait, 2003A, AD. Oh, there might be an AN. Oh, yeah, there you go. No, that's A on the end. I don't want A or AN on the end. Is this a speaker from Saturday where Ben found the burnt components? No, I need to do that. Well, I'm still waiting for parts to be delivered. This is the water sort of jet thingy that needed the two relays on. I put the two new relays on because they came about half hour ago. And then as I was doing it, I noticed these two burnt components. So I've accidentally blew them, I think, testing the relays in circuit when I was doing it on stream. So I'm going to have to order two new chips. So I need to get this kind of like ASAP. I'm just trying to find the second chip. The A4, I don't know what that 8 means. I don't think it means anything. Oh, yeah, sorry. I forgot about the title. A version of the includes built-in 2.7 kilo ohm resistor at each input, making it suitable directly interfacing with 5-volt TTL or CMOS logic. Huh? So does that mean it's compatible, Ozzy? I like to get like for like parts. I don't know what this is called. Water thingy. Hello, Hugh. Hey you. Hey you. Morning. Good morning. It's afternoon for us, but yeah. Oh yeah, I was looking for that chip. So why can't I just find the standalone one without the A on it at the end? I want to order it from RS Components. It says 50 volt, 500 milliamps. Let's try another website. Rapid. It's definitely different, but may work. Yeah, I don't want that. Ugh. Let me try Rapid. ULN 2003. Oh, see, it's got A on the end again, and they're like weird through hole legs. I need it to be SMD. It's complete different legs. think I'm screwed. Can't find it anywhere. The data sheet for it. Oh, actually, the chip looks the same. So it looks the same, doesn't it? 500 milliamp driver package. Output voltage is 50 volts. It's got integrated suppression diodes for inductive loads. Yeah, see, it's only supposed to take 5 volts. And when I was testing those relays, we were doing it at 18 volts or something, wasn't it? Hello, Phil. So it's a 7PN Darlin transistor in package, yeah. Found that, not sure if that website's legit. What did you find? Green Screen Explorer. You can't post links in here, by the way, if you posted a link. Phil, do you remember when we was testing these relays and I smelt something? I was like, oh, it stinks, it's burning. I blew these two. We've got A4, which is some sort of chip, and the ULN 2003. And it's there. I could only find ones with A on the end or AN, which is not the same. And this guy phoned me up this morning. I was like, nope, still waiting for the relays. I said, you're welcome to pick it up. But then when I put the 2 relays on, because they've arrived, I noticed them. So it's just on Google, 2003. Yeah, see, if it's got the A on the end and it's compatible, I will. But I was having a quick look and I could only find the A version. So if the A version is compatible, then I'll just order the A. And I think, let me add that to basket anyway. Let me go back to RS components. I didn't even see how much it cost. Oh yeah, the other one's AN, which I don't know what the difference is. It's still 50 volts, 500 milliamps. Okay. So I could only get minimum order 25 of them. So people just list them the same day on eBay. Hello, MK. Yeah, no, removal of all results. Removes all the results. A website show up. Oh. Okay, now the other thing I'm looking for is the A4. So if I just type in A4. It says A4 paper. What the hell do I type in? A4 space 8? Or A4 transistor? Nope, that didn't work. Water thingy. Yes, that is it, Rebel. Yes. No, that don't for show anything either. If I Google it though. A48. And I've got it on here. It's a 0.2 amp 70 volt SOT. Is that A48? Or is it just A4?
And he's the best.
Stop it. Does he? No. Unless I take that one out on the left and I could use it on my tester to compare to see what it is. I think I might do that. Good afternoon. Oh. Hello, Kokodo. You're right. I messed up. I really have messed up. From now on, hello Retro or New. From now on, when I'm testing relays, I'm going to take them out of circuit first. I'm pretty sure Ben said, "Are you not going to take them out of circuit first?" Helen, NY Babs, Andy, what's up? So, just a rundown. What's the problem? Do you remember me testing the relays on here? There was 2 burnt relays that were black. I was injecting voltage into it to activate the coils, and it all lit up. It turned on the screen, didn't it, and everything. And then I kept testing the other ones, and then I smelt something. I was like, "Oh, that stinks! That stinks!" Thinking it was just the relays cooking up, but it actually wasn't. It's blown these 2 chips. Because when I put the new relays on, I noticed these have got holes in it. A4 transistor type thing, and that chip there, the ULN 2003. And the only ULN 2003 I could see has got an A on the end, or AN. It's not exactly the same. And the only A4 chip that I see is, I don't know if that's the same. I think hopefully it is the same. And at the bottom there, it says it's a switch transistor. Is that the same? The print looks different, but it's still got A4 written on it. Yeah, that happened to me. Yeah, so in future, I am going to take the relays out of circuit every time if I get some more in the future to test them, rather than leaving it in the board. I don't know why it burnt them out. Is it because the relays were bad? So it was just overvolting it. You burnt a 70-volt transistor with your bench supply. I think so, yeah, by the looks of it. Somehow, by only putting in like 18 volts, I think I was doing. I think I was only using 18 volts. Because before I was getting life in this board while I was testing the relays, but now I'm not. A4 is a Bravo dual diode. Thank you. Oh, hello, Toltec. So that picture is correct then on this A4. On this picture. So it is a BAV70 A4 0.2 amp 70 volt switch transistor. So that's not an issue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's not an issue then. It's just the IC, the big thing. Can I put the A version in there? ULN 2003A, not a transistor, dual diode. Well, it says it's a transistor on here. All right, thanks, Toltec. It's just what annoys me is not the fact that I've done it. It annoys me the fact that this customer's so impatient. Brav 70. Yeah, if you're here, Toltec, there's loads of them here. Oh, let me change my scene a sec. You can see, look there, it says Brav 70. It just says it's a switch transistor, but it's the same thing, right? It's Brav 70. Or not Brav, I keep saying Brav, it's Bav. What, Bav? So if I go to RS components, no, that's not RS components. £10.56 for that one bloody. BAV 70. Oh yeah, look. So if I add 100 of them, I don't want 100. Darlington transistor driver. Isn't that what this is? 22p. Sorry, 26p. Is that on rapid, Philip? And is that with the A on the end? It has 2 diodes in one package with the cathode connected. Oh. Yes. Okay. Do you know if... Oh, man. I'm going to have to let this guy know. Oh, I'm so scared to contact him. So scared. I don't know what to say to him. Look, mate. I've replaced the... I replaced them. But notice it's got 2 other burn components. So I'm going to have to order him some more. Do I admit that I may have burnt it out testing the relays? Mate, I broke it. I broke it? What did you break? Ooh, I got paid. Who's paying me? Oh, HDMI. Oh, right, okay, yeah. If it's 5 volts, then it's fine. You just did online. No, I know I did admit it. You say that to the client. I broke it. Yeah, of course. No, just say I've got to be honest. I would say to him I was testing the relays and I think I may have blown a couple of components. No way your bench power supply burnt a 70 volt. Because it was working though before I was testing the relays, wasn't it? The screen lit up. It was fine on that one. Then I tested that one. I think it was fine. Then the third one is when I started smelling it, or the second one. I started smelling the burn smell. And by the looks of it, kind of looks like it's connected to that one as well. So if you look at that leg of that transistor, that BAV 70, you can see the leg, follow the pin outlet, and it goes into the second relay, I think. Someone's at the door. She was a post lady. Sorry, I'm back. Looks like the Darrington array is a buffer. Yeah, so I think that's what basically happened. When I was testing the second relay, it must have went back into that. I don't know where the hell it went and burned both chips. No, just say when the relay read already. Do you know you broke it, or was it a pre-existing fault elsewhere? I don't know. I smelled something when I was testing it, so I'm assuming it was me. Sneaky Andy, I only have a HDMI today. I did. I've had two. I've done an Xbox Series X and a PS5 HDMI today. That's all I've done. This is just something that arrived about an hour ago, the relays, and I just put the relays in and noticed this. I've got a couple of more things to do now, actually. Looking at the other transistors, do any look the same and can read number better? What, these things? No, they're the only two on the board. The number, you should be able to see that number. It's A48, if that's what you're on about. They're the only two. There's one more over here, but that's something completely different. Don't know why I'm staring at this. Luckily, there's nothing at the bottom of the actual thing itself. I'm just going to have to... oh, do I have any? I don't know. Do I have any BOV 7s? So that bottom chip fill, you reckon you're able to get it for that cheap? Such an idiot. Like I said, from now on, I'm going to test relays out of circuit. But then it could have... So many different diodes and shit. Don't think I've got... Ah, see, I've got something here. Could these be it? These are transistors, or whatever they are. Sorry, Toltec. And hello, Toltec Merc. Yes, amazing. All right, thank you. Long time no see. You are still alive then. Oh, what are these boys? Oh, I'm going to have to take it out of the packet. Just remind yourself how short time you've had doing this so far. Yeah, I know. I hate when customers rush. Right, what are these boys? Wait, it's empty. Hey? What? Hey, where did it all go? Oh, they all must have fell out. Wow, okay. I've got another packet. Because it's only acting as a switch. The main thing that matters is if it's NPN or PNP. I could take off the other working one on the other side and have a test. See, that shows something completely different. That's a G2 1B6 bugger. So that's not going to work. I need something with an A4. Do you want me? Should I take it out, Phil, and then test the other working one to confirm if it's an PNP or NPN? Do I have any more transistors? Or whatever they're called. No, I've got no more. You could test in circuit. It won't hurt to find out. I could test to see if it's a PNP or NPN in circuit. I'm such an idiot. And that bloody Xbox has come back. For sure, 2 diodes. Yeah, but it will not show us if it's NPN or PNP. It depends if the diode's in the circuit too. Yeah, I'll just take it out. Right, how close is that? Oh, it's not that easy. I've got the screen at the bottom that I could melt. And I've got the... Okay, I'll have to use the shield. I use tape and shield, actually. Where is JFix shield? Oh, for God's sake, where's that gone? Oh, there it is. Got it. Hello, Dave in Yorkshire. Dave, was it you that sent me something via Amazon? Only take it off if you're happy, mate. Then again, the damaged one has to come off anyway. Yeah, 570 A4 is a triode. Can't use that. You guys are way too far. So annoyed. Something so simple is now turned into a nightmare. Just put your black lead on a pin and test red on another. Not me. Try. All right, thanks, Yorkshire Dave. I don't know who it was. Thing is, I'm gonna even struggle getting it off. Right next to that. All right, let me try it with it still in circuit. Then using my ESR meter. Yeah. Hold on. Let me just try and just tape it up ready. Just in case it doesn't work. Try it. There's a big different diode mode. You just want me to try it in diode mode? Oh, okay. How this is gonna work, I don't know. Just like that. Okay, that might be alright actually. Alright, diode mode. Hello. Hello, Chris. Hey, big Chris. Oh, for God's sake. Get off. Right. Diode mode. This size shows 0.4. And crossing my leads around. This shows 0.4. This one shows 0.2. Spinning it around. The other way shows 0.2. Don't know how that's going to help you determine if it's a NPN or PNP. Have a practice on one of the boards I sent. Do it with iron. What, getting one of these off? Nah, it should be okay. If I keep the heat moving, it'll be fine. Oh, I've got a phone call. La 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 la. Hello, Swin Electronic Repairs. Hiya. Yeah, I'm afraid I don't deal with TVs anymore. Sorry. Not in Swindon, I'm afraid, no. Um, oh, yeah. I'm not sure. I think you may be able to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's worth probably looking into actually. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, mate. Not much help. All right, thank you. Bye. Oh, what was up with the TVs, man? ESR reader you can measure in circuit. No, I don't think you can. I'll just take it off and measure it. I'm gonna do a lower heat, 370. A low air speed, 30%. It's not a transistor. Yeah, all right, a triac then. Jesus Christ. Hello, James. There you go. Nice and easy. Now, what makes it harder though is getting the pins on there to measure it. Easy target. Hello, King. Is that a transistor? For God's sake. You guys, stop it. I'm going to have to solder wires onto there because my clips.
I've got a really small one.
Have you? I don't think my clips fit on there. What, two of my clips? No, they're not going to clip on there. They're way too big. So I'm going to have to solder 3 wires and see if I can clip it onto the wires. We'll just put the wires inside. So that's going to be fun. Hello, King. So it's not NPN or PNP. No, apparently it's triodes. It's 2 diodes. So I don't even know what I'm testing this for. Like, what does it matter? I don't understand. It's above BAV 70. There's only one BAV 70, right? Does it show? It's a dual high-speed diode. There's no NPN or PNP, so I don't understand. Grab a blank board I sent, solder it on there, and put wires on the board. That's a good shout. Right. Yeah, let's do what Phil says. Hold on. Perfect. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, 2 diodes sharing the cathode. Yes. Oh, for God's sake, my front door. Use that now. 2 seconds. I'll be right with you. Mute my mute in. I've got to stop running because when I get to the door, I get out of breath. Right, it's all picking up now. A lot of people are collecting today. I'm well happy. I've still got. Oh shit! I've got a bag. I've got to give somebody a PS4. Oh wow! I've nicked one of their bags. So I've got 2 more pickups. Oh, thank God. My top shelf's slowly clearing. Oops, what's that? Yep, that's been collected. And I've got more open projects. There's somebody at the door. There's somebody at the door. Yeah, I know. You're not a runner in that track. No. I bought some new clothes, so I'll use that. Somebody's at the door. Dave in Yorkshire gifted 1 membership. Thank you so much, Dave. Who received it? Green Screen Explorer. Hey, thank you so much. You didn't have to, Dave. Please don't say that's somebody at my door again. Posty. Oh, for fuck's sake. I've got to go and see what we posted. It's not even a postie, it's someone else. And it's raining. Look. What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, he's stealing my parcels. Hey, come back. Hey, he now green screen. Yeah, green screen. Thank you so much for that. Hang on. We'll go see what's at the door. There's the little diode. I could solder it onto. I don't know. So overexposed on white circuit boards. Just turn the light down. Stick it on Q2. It was really wide, but perfect. Moving up in the world. Hello. Who's moving up in the world? Hey, oh, he's now green. Yeah, green. He's actually green. Green screen's green. What? Bugger, what are you doing? That was going so well then. Oh, it's upside down. Oh no, get off before I burn you out. I was actually upside down. Yo, hello, Joseph. You okay, buddy? Wow, what's wow? Wow. All right, now I've got to solder 3 wires onto it. I think I've got 3 here. 1, 2. Let's do 2 for now. The third wire I'm just going to have to take from here. These are really big wires. Maybe I should use little jumper wires rather than these. One. 2. 2. 3. Okay. Can I go see what's been posted through Letterboxd, please? Because I think it's going to be something really cool, actually. No! No, Joseph. Thank you, Joseph. Appreciate it, mate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So nice of you guys. Yeah, let me just go see what's at the door because I think you guys are going to love it. 2 seconds. Yes, I am drinking a Monster, and I know it's not good for my blood pressure. And yes, I'm also going to have a vape as well. At least my shed's nice and dry. I haven't had a leak since. Front door, what an asshole. What's going on with Amazon, I swear? Right, 2 packages. I know one of them's in here that I need. Yes! Oh my god, what the hell is vacuum packed? Right, okay. Hold on, guys. Oh, yeah. Why is it vacuum packed? Probably gonna look all shit now. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, well. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, well. It'll do. Fuck's sake. I'll come in. Ew, ew, ew. Oh no! No, oh no. No, oh
I've
no.
got a really small one.
Have you? Hello, Electro Rep. YouTube didn't show me you went live. Really? There we go. Merry Christmas. We're in December, so why not? Merry Christmas. 1st of December. Right, so I need to get my 3rd prong leg thingy. I've only got 2 available. One more is hidden in here. Somewhere. No, what am I doing? I'm being blonde. Being blonde, I don't need them. Just stick it straight in the machine. So, let's plug that in. 1. Plug that in 2. And then this one in a 3. Oh no, it's got too much solder on that bit.
Became a member. Joseph_Neil_the_Lilliput celebrates 2 months of membership.
Ooh!
2 months.
Wow, 2 months. Thank you. Appreciate that. How come it's done it twice? You've become a member and then suddenly it said celebrated for 2 months. I'm so confused. But that's cool. Thank you for being with me for 2 months. I swear you've known me for longer. Great. I need a 3rd hand. There's too much solder on that joint. Hold all 3 together and put together. Doesn't matter which order they go. Oh, it does, doesn't it? You can't put it in the same one. Three, 2. Oh, come on, you fucking asshole. 3, 2, 1. Was that it? I think I've got it anyway. Oh! One. There. Okay, I've got it. Ready? Here we go. Just shows as a resistor. Why? No, that's the good one, Phil, apparently. Well, it's the one without a hole in it. Hello, Cuba. Buenos dias. Oh, good. Oh, the good one, scratching head. Yeah. The part number. Aren't they all the same? Or are we looking in too deep for it? It's just that. It's a BAV 70, right? That's all it is. Why don't I just order a few of that, a couple of them, and well, minimum 3,000. What the fuck? I don't want 3,000. What am I going to do with 3,000 minimum? 10 more mins on this and you need a rest. See where the tracks go on the board. Can you see where the tracks go? No, I can't. They go underneath the... They go underneath. I'll just order some BAV 70s, replace both of them, and replace that big main chip. Looks like both have blown. Yeah, looks it, doesn't it? Probably has, to be fair. What's this transistor over here? Is that the same? Oh, well, not a transistor, sorry. Where is it? Fingers there. Is that something different? There's another one there, look. So that might be a working one. Should I test that one? No, it's going out of 2,998 overhead if you order it now. I know. Might be worth trying that one. All right. Yeah, let me take this one off. Keep adjusting my scope all the time. I know it could be blown already, but I'd like to keep it where it was. How do? Well, let's take off this one. This one's luckily it's not like near any plastic. Rip all those stickers. Oh yeah. Okay, well the stickers I didn't see melt, but yeah. Stickers fine. Oh, stop it, scope. If I manually focus it, it does that. I'm spinning around, move out of my way. Just replace with your warranty sticker. Yeah, it's just a sticker. Right, let's get those 3 wires back. I've got a smart idea this time. Stick it in my machine first and then wire it to the chip. See? Oh, my chat's gone. It's back again. So I could literally go 1, 2, and 3. And then close. There you go. Now I could just solder this to there. If it'll reach. Reach. Ugh, I'll do. Next leg. Oh, God, come on. Oh, stop it. It's at a funny angle. Hopefully that's stuck. I think it is. And the last one. Oh, well, the last one's not going to reach at all. Damn it. That's way too close. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Oh, well, that failed. Fuck. Don't forget to calibrate the wires. Getting stressed. Okay, this last one, I guess I'm going to have to solder to the leg from here. Yeah, it is like Christmas, isn't it? Green and red. Okay. Now, stop springing, you wires. Stick you in 1. Nope, too much solder on it. It's not going to clamp. Okay, I think it's clamped. I'm not going to move it. It says it's a diode. Yep, there you go. So those two, both of them had failed. Ah, fuck it, I don't know how to show you. Short problems. That's me. So both of them had failed. Wow, that rain. Oh wait, one of them's come out. Just gonna push it back in just to do one more test to make sure that is 100% a diode. It's only showing 2 of the legs. What about the third leg? Right. They're all in there nice and tight. Love the hat. Thank you. Karuna. Still says the same thing. For some reason it's not showing third pin, but it's just a diode. So it is just the standard BAV70 rubbish. Oh, I'm going to have to let the customer know. I need to order them. And he's bought a Santa hat to entertain us. Oh, yes. Every time now until Christmas. Try attaching your 3 wires to pin headers and then putting the pin headers in the tester. Yeah, should have done that as well. I like this little board tester, empty board. I think my missus is back. Hear the car. Try and solder it back on with my iron. Just try 2 diodes in my tester. It recognizes both at the same time. Oh, really? That's cool. They're so smart, aren't they? Should be double diode. I have no idea. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's a normal diode. Your Santa's costume's coming tomorrow. Oh, nice. The Santa costume's coming tomorrow. You bought Andy's bought a Santa. The Santa costume's coming. No, there's no Santa costume. Just the hat. All right. And there you go. That's gonna have to do it until I order the parts. Oh, go away. Stay in there. Oh, for God's sake, they're all falling out. Oh, no! Yep, oh, no. Ben, didn't you suggest to take the relays out first to test them? Pretty sure you did, or somebody did. Somebody suggested taking them out to test because sending the voltage across the board. Well, basically I didn't, and I smelt something on stream that time, and I think I burnt out a few components. Now it's not working. Toltec Merc. Oh yeah, he's here still. He had 2 wires on the same contact for the tester. There were 2 wires going to pin 1 of tester. I was there. Thanks, Russ. I'm not. I didn't realise I did. I thought I had it on 1, 2, and 3. Do you want a couple of the 2003s? Yes, please, Phil. If you could also do the BAV 70s as well, please, mate. I'll ping over the money. I appreciate it. Thanks. I'll have to just let the customer know. Oh yeah, I recommend better to take them out. Well, I blew it. The what? The BAV 70s. If you could get them as well, these things. BAV 70.
Oh no!
I think it's just called BAV 70. It's A4 anyway. It's marked as A4. A4 triode. No, it's not a triode either, is it? What is it? One of them. It is. It says triode there, but is it? Is it though? Any other shorts next to the double diode? Double. Doubt that's the only thing that's been fried. It's not. It's taken out a big chip. Rapid says discontinued. What of these? Or you're on about that big main chip? Oh, that's fine. That's all right then. I'll just order that from. I'll have to order that from RS Components. eBay is going to take too long. Actually, how much are they on Amazon? That's probably coming from China as well, isn't it? Yeah. Well, please don't say that's my door. £110? Where are you getting £110 from? Why is it showing 100 volt and not 70 volt? £90? Is it because you could only buy like 3,000 at a time? Yeah. Jesus Christ. It's because they're discontinued, I expect. They do have a bad. I'd rather stick to the what's on the board. On all three pads where the diode normally sits, check resistance to ground on all pads on the board. All pads? I'd order it from eBay. If it's not coming from China. Please don't come from China. Please don't come from China. Oh, from China. Fuck's sake. Oh. Getting hot. Think. From Bedford, here we go. I'll do. Add to basket. Bedford's in the UK. Right, okay, so that's them sorted. Right, Ben, you want me to quickly check the other pads quickly? Oh, I don't want to spend too much time on it because he might not even want me to continue. So he's desperate for it. So he might just be like, nah, don't worry about it, mate. I'll just buy a new one. Christ, this hat's making me hot. Stick it above my ear. Right, Ben, you want me to check all the legs for resistance to ground, yeah? Is that what you want? Or what do you want me to test? Any other shorts next to the die? There's no shorts. Even this not short. It's just blown. It's just got holes in it. What's that? Alert message. Why do my miss keep opening the door all the time? So that these are not actually short. So that's not short. It's probably blown open. Oh, actually, it has got resistance. No, it hasn't. Has it? But it's got a massive hole in it. Yeah, 377 ohms. This one shows open line. Yeah, that's blown as well. That's got a hole in it there. That is blown as well. So you can see that's blown. That's blown. That's been taken out, I think, with it as well. So it's the same as that. It's not 853, it's ULN 2003. I think. Where'd you get the 5 from? Don't say 5. Or is that a 5? Oh no. Yeah, what is that second one? 20 what 3?
Oh no!
Is there even a 5.3? I don't think I saw. Hold on. Hold on. ULN 20. Shit. Nah, that won't be a 5, will it? It could be 10 different things. Shh, Sparta, and hello. Yeah, that is 2003, yeah, you reckon? You reckon that is 2003? Common IC, it is. All right, both you guys said it as well, so all right, thanks, Ozzy. Thanks, Kuba and Phil. I thought it was 2003 to begin with. But, yeah. Right size package. Gotcha. Ka-ching. Good. Hello, Govid. Check resistance ground from ground to all pins. What, of this chip? All right, I'll do it to every chip. To ground. I've got to find a common ground. Which one would be ground? This one, because it's not attached to anything, potentially. Can I not just test in diode mode instead? So we got 3, 4K. Actually, it's going up. 8K, 7K, 7K on that one. 250 ohms-ish, 200 ohms. Was it ohms or kilo ohms? What was that? That's kilo ohms. Got 1.8K. Got 1.52K. It's just climbing. It's always climbing. 8K. There's no shorts if that's what you want to test. 4K. We're in mega ohms on that one. 10K. 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 Oh, looks like all these are going 10K. 10K. 2.6k, 3.1k, 1 ohm, and 1 ohm. Pin 9 is ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's ground. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. Yeah, so that's ground as well. This is reading 1 ohm here. That's ground as well, though, right? Okay, so at least one reverse diode is blown. Yeah, I'm gonna replace both of these anyway. I thought 8 is ground. It seems like both of those are ground. Well, that's a no connect, but it's still attached to ground. 10 is COM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Communication. Yeah, that's shorted there. It says 0. 0 ohms. Wrong counting. Pin 1's bottom left. Yeah, but don't you go clockwise, or is it anti-clockwise? Is it anti-clockwise you have to go? Oh, anti-clockwise. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one then. Jesus Christ. Or we go for pin 9. I don't know what we're looking for. 10 is gone. Pin 9 is ground. So yeah, I was on ground then. Yeah, I was on ground anyway. That's still short though. 9, not 10. Oh my god. 1, 2. Wait, does that start from 1, yeah? Pin 1 is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This leg is 1 ohm. This one's also 1 ohm, but they look like they're shared. And how do you know? It's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, anyway, I think it's just taken out all 3 of these. That's blown, this is blown, and that's probably blown as well. I don't think it's gone into anywhere else because it already blew the chip up. I'm just going to replace them and hopefully it works. See Discord. What? Thanks, Phil, by the way. I'll sort you out later, mate. What you put it under? What's it under? Other repairs? Nope. I'm looking on Discord. What am I looking under? 9 is common. Yeah, sorry. It's now not supposed to be ground. Oh, yeah, thanks, Phil. I saw that. Thank you, mate. I'll sort you out later. In general, it's not loading. Who posted it? Oh, Ozzy? No. Worms is the last thing to say something, which I don't know why he's not on my stream. Ah, there we go. Thank you. Now it's shown up. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. Common freewheeling diodes. Pin 8 is ground. So this here is ground. But that's connected as well. So basically, they're both on the same rail though. Yeah. Try hit it with a hammer. So if I try it in diode mode instead then, as they're all built in diodes. So if we put red on ground, which is this one, it is attached to this one as well, which is weird. So we're going to get a dead short on that. This one is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So these read fine, 0.5, 0.5. Now the top ones, we get in 0.5, 0.5, 0.7.5. The blown one 0.6, 0.5. Don't tell me anything. 0.5 and ground. Well, what's that one at the top there supposed to be? Is that the floating one? Yeah, that's the floating freewheeler. Nice water thingy. Yeah. Isn't that a burnt mark of the 2? Yes, it is. Yeah, it's blown. We got a floater. Yeah. So that's blown. It's taken out. This is blown as well. That's blown. And I think that's probably blown as well. Because it's reading as a resistor on there rather than a diode. Weird reelings inline throwing ish off. No idea, but I'm just going to replace those 3 and hopefully it works. I think 7's being pulled down to ground. It means input 7 is disabled. You can see on the top right goes to nowhere. Yeah. What's it blowing? I don't know what's blowing. Why diagnose? I know. That I've already decided. It's just Ben wanted me to check a few readings for him, so. Just annoyed. I'll have to message him later. I'm not doing it now. I've got the courage to. I'll be like, look, mate, you're going to have to wait a few more days. I said, I'm sorry. While I was testing the relays, it burnt out a couple of components. I didn't notice until I put the new relays on. So, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, crap. Is the battery salvageable? Batteries? Yeah, of course they are. At the end of the day, you're doing great, Swindon. Thank you, Society of High. I'm not doing great, though. Unless you're saying I'm doing great, Swindon. But the way I see it is, it was broken anyway. He just wanted to see if he could get it fixed before ordering a new one. So it was already broken, but I broke it even more, potentially.
And he's the best.
Thanks, Russ. And I've learned from my mistake now. Don't test relays in circuit. Who bought me these? Andy, isn't that itchy? No, not really. It's all right, actually. I don't want it over my ears because my ears are burning. Oh, nice. Right, I've got a... What's that now? I'm scared. Alert message. Who keeps going at my door? Honestly. Who's that now? If that's the missus, I'll tell her stop going outside. It is the missus. How many times does she want to go outside? Anyway. Right, now it's the tablet, which I've confirmed is the screen. Oh, I've got to do this next. I said I'll check.
Oh no!
Yep. So the guy's come back. I don't know why he really wants me to get this repaired for him. Let me zoom out. Or the burnt one of the 3. Or you burnt one of the 3. Sorry, I missed what you put. May have been blown before, or you burnt one of the... I know, that's the thing. You really don't know unless I watch the stream back. But before it was working, the screen was turning on and that, and now it's not. Highly mechanical. I know. I don't. What? There's one more thing I said to him I could try on this, and he's willing to accept it. Let me go to wide a second so you guys can see. Title. What's the symptom of this? He's brought me a new cage, which annoyingly has a belt I could have used instead of waiting for ages for a new belt. But I said to him, it might be the motor that's weak. So I think he wants me to try and see if it's compatible. But I don't... It looks the same. But I don't know if it's that. I don't know. But what my plan is to grease all this up. Well, not grease, but I've got my 3-in-1 oil. See if it could loosen it up or something. Yay, video recorder. No, not yay. It's annoying. It's one of those ones where I don't know if it could be sorted or not. This is the last option I could do. It'll be the capstan motor. Will it? Frankenstein stuff. Yeah. I really don't understand why he wants this fixed so bad. Just buy another one. But, you know. He's a nice guy and everything. I think there's one more at the back. No? Just that. Is it just that? I can't remember how I got it off now. There is one more screw. Or was it clipped? Oh, it's clipped. There you go. It does look like an OBD port, yeah. Tension of the belt can cause resistance on the motor, but it's unlikely the belt is super tight. Yeah, well, I've already done all the belt issue. I've already changed the belts and everything. I'm just gonna. Right, I'm gonna go see her to her because she's doing my nutting. Sorry, 2 seconds, guys. That's another time she's gone outside. Why does she keep going outside? Okay, she's outside the front having a fag. She keeps setting the doorbell off. She said she was doing recycling and now she's having a fag. Andy, where's the panties? I do. Oh, yo, hello, Simple Tech. Andy, where the panties? What? She's having a fag. Right, do I take the cage out and I'll spray it down. Maybe. In areas that I can't get to. Spec 360. Hello, mate. Hopefully you didn't get offended by that picture I put on Discord.
I've got a really small one.
Have you? Have you, James? Nah. Okay, good. It's just it was one of your thumbnails. And I was like, oh, what's Spec doing? And I had a look and scrubbed through the video and I saw that thumbnail capture. I was like, that's funny. Right. Cage is out. Lol, that sounds funny to a US person. I know, a fag, yeah. She's having a fag. It's like when Australian people call thongs their flip-flops. That's so funny. Yeah, ordered a live streaming Switch. Oh, nice. See if that works. A live streaming Switch. No idea what that is. Right, here we go. Let's spray up some stuff. So, I mean, it looks really well greased as it is. Oh, for fuck's sake. She's doing it again. Setting that door off. Just top right bit. Oh, you reckon just this bit? Like the gears in here and stuff. Okay. Try not to do too much. do this gear here. That looks pretty good. Oh, I'll get a phone call. 2 seconds, the customer. And goes Pip. What? Hello? Oh, I missed the call. Damn it. Oh well, that's annoying. Let's spray down here as well. Just a little bit there. Clean up a little. Okay. I think that's probably all the moving parts that I can see that I can spray. WD lube, yeah. Then test. Okay, plugged in. Let me plug it into the mains. Rain, rain, go away. It's pissing down. And I've not got one leak. Happy days. I need a videotape. Again, going with the old fast getaway film, age 15. So if you're not 15-year-old, then you can't watch this. Did you buy NF tube? What's that? No. What's NF lube? Northridge Fix lube. No. You should. I know. I need Deoxit for this as well, spec, because this is crap. This is cutting out more than ever now. Right, here we go. We're on. Let's let it circulate. Right, I'm gonna hit fast forward just to get it spinning a little bit. What? Stop. No, don't eject. Don't eject. Oh, I think it's too late. What happened to my tape? It started chewing it up. Northridge Fix Flux. Oh, well, okay. It seems to be... What?
Oh no!
No, it sorted itself out. Need more lube. Well, it seems to be alright again now. Or is it because I've damaged the tape? Fast forward in a little bit more. I could hear it struggling still. Let's go to rewind. I don't think it is this bit that's struggling. Hello, Sergi, even. I hate wasting money, dollars. Yeah, we'll be watching that again. It's fine. I haven't wanted to personally Amtech or rosin for me. Oh, nice. Yeah, I don't want to try his stuff anyway. Maybe it's low voltage. That's why I was playing. Yeah, I know. I just want to try and circulate, see if the tape's still okay first. Here we go. Stop. Now, fast forward. No, not doing anything. Why? It's not even spinning. Here we go. It's struggling. Come on, please free up. I'll just let it run. I don't know what's the main thing that's spinning it. It's not this. That doesn't spin it. What's the main thing that spins it? The main motor. It's the bit that the belt's stuck onto. But it spins freely. It's not this. If I was 8 year old, it's not 8 years old though. It is a cheap kind, yeah. So it is fast forwarding at the minute while stopped, but it's not fast. Do I try rewind? Dum dum dum. There's a big motor spinning faster than spindle. Maybe it's the main motor on the top. This, you have more than one motor over there. Why? Doesn't look it. All I see is the... Do I just spray the motor? Is it safe to spray the motor? No, that's the head. Yeah, okay, that's the head, yeah. Now it's just stopped. Now it's not even rewind. Fast forward in. All right, let's try rewind. Oh, rewind's working a little bit now. Come on. Yes, it's getting faster. No, it's slowing down. Come on. This is fast. At least it's rewinding now. It's gonna stop. Yeah, you said about the tail. Oh my god, you guys are writing loads. Would make sense that the head spins the same rate as the tape. No, resistance. That's not. Thanks, Adam. The head has plenty of power. Yeah, the head's fine. The inner wheel spools VCR tape moves slowly, but the tape linear speed dependent on the motor, inches per second. Oh, this slow. I know it's slow. No, head runs a stripe mode across the tape. Yeah, horizontal. It stops because it's too tight. Check the tape. See, a lot of people said it could be the tape. But if he's having this issue anyway, then why would it be my tape as well? I can't push that button down properly. Cotton bud. No, that button feels weird. Is it supposed to feel slidey? I don't bloody know. You need 6 hands to test that. Disassemble the tape. Thanks, Adam. Good luck on your repairs. Thank you. Rewind the tape. I was trying to rewind it. Hard to decide if the cycles per second with the inner reel is matching correct rotation versus power because speed varies. Like it's like this is what spins. What's that? Just get the hammer. Do the gears free run lead? Yeah. I've already manually spanned the gears. I'll just try spray a bit of oil down there. I'll just try and spray a few more areas. Let me turn it off first. Oh, plug. Oh. That will re-spool the tape. Rewind the tape to start. I can't. The machine doesn't rewind properly. It stops it. Unless you're on about by hand. Do I just spray everything? All the mechanical bits. So I can feel that's quite warm. That's really warm, like it's struggling. Why is that so hot? Surely that shouldn't get warm. Is it just a failing? I just don't understand what drives this, man. I don't understand it. How? Where's the... Oh, is it actually on this circuit board? Well, what's that other cage like? Can I not just swap the motors out? This whole unit, this bit, and see if it is just a failing motor. It looks the same. Oh, and it feels looser. Oh, that spins lovely. So, look, if we look here. So this one is not that freely, right? It spins, but not that free. But this one, that spins a lot smoother compared to that one. Do you reckon it is the motor then? Does it look like the same? No, it looks slightly different though. No, it's different. But it's the same, but it's different. I don't know.
I've got a really small one.
Nice to see another gear assembly to compare it to. If you do have duplicate, just start switching parts. I mean, it's not exactly the same. This is a DMV CMC 10 WR. This is a MCV C035AA, whatever the hell that means. Even if I take the belt off, don't know why that's making a noise. Take this belt off. That spins lovely. That sounds like bearings have gone. Is there bearings in there? That's vibrating. That one's smooth as a whistle. Bearing shots. Could still try swapping. Take the belt off and see if it spins freely. Alright, thank you. Magnets? I don't know, it just does not sound good. Oh, it doesn't vibrate that way though. Because this ribbon cable goes to the head. Where does this ribbon cable go? Well, that also goes to the head. Now, is that the same head? Looks, yeah, they look the same. I mean, it's worth trying, right? Spray it. Spray you in a minute. Yeah, I will do spec. 2 seconds. But where? Like, just down from the top? Trying to get it in there. Not worth it. Not worth swapping. Explains the low speeds. Do it, do it. Nice new logo spec. Yeah, that's a nice new logo. Same-ish part, just different part number. Same-ish. Okay. Not worth spraying. Oh. Well, I've done it now anyway. Let me just clean it up a little bit because I don't want residue everywhere on the tape. Sprayed now. It still vibrates like crazy. If it's like that, it vibrates. But this way, don't know. All right, let me try it now. I've sprayed that. If it has made a difference, then it's obviously that motor issue, right? I think. Where's the original belt? I think these are the same size belts. Well, actually, that one seems a little bit bigger. Let's go for a slightly bigger belt as well. Or it could just be me being crazy. Yeah, still seems really stiff. We'll give it a go. We'll try it. Motor is shot. Yeah, just try. I will swap it. I will swap. Let me just test this and see if I can swap the motor around. If it's still not doing anything. I mean, even if it does still work a little bit better, you know, 100% it's that motor. Something ain't right. I know. I know it's not right. That's why it's with me. Right, let's plug it in. Plug it in. Oh, okay. I'm almost out of juice. But how am I supposed to watch my homemade movies back in the day? Do you know what? I wish they still existed. Does it take long to do bud? No. No, I would say 15 minutes max, maybe. Somebody's dropping off 2 PS5 controllers. They've pre-paid for batteries. They want battery replacements. So I've ordered some and he's just got to drop them off. I've got to quickly do that. Let's turn it on. Okay, let's try fast forward first. Still sounds like it's whining too much, like it's struggling. I know with this while playing. Let's try rewind while playing. Right, stop. Now let's fast forward while stopped. No, it's not having it. It's not even fast forwarding now. Let's rewind. Is it going to rewind? No. It's not even rewinding. High resistance on the motor can burn out components due to what? EMF current build-up. The motor is talking to you. It is. It's talking to me. Alright, I guess I'm going to have to see if I can swap the motors round. Higher resistance on the motor can burn out components upstream due to... So does that mean that this motor is a higher resistance one? Ow. Stupid mechanical shit. Bring back digital. Motor is wanked. I know it's the motor. It's just struggling like crazy. Just want to see if I could undo those 3 screws. And what else would it be? Is it just those 3 screws that's holding that motor in? If so, not bad. I could take the motor off and inspect it. Let's try it. What's a big smile for? Oil has made it sticky. Nah, I doubt it. Motor wants to be left alone. What? If the motor's already having problems, then it's not going to work under load. The motor wants to be left alone. What do you mean? Now, oil's not made it sticky because it's not. It's still doing the same issues it was having before. Oh yeah, there you go. It just fell straight out. Easy. And it does feel hot, like it's been struggling. All right, so all right, it splits into two different things. Does this one split into two different things? It doesn't. Right, so we have still got an issue then. It's still can't use it. It's got extra wires here for the motor. It's hot because it wants some fun. What? Tear down the motor. Hi Andy, how are you? I see you're fixing VCR. I remember my grandparents had one. I watched the absolute crap out of it. I remember one day, and I was watching, and the screen went black and never came back. Oh, Danny, was it you that sent the HDMI adapters? Don't know who it was. Who was it that sent me these? Bought me these on Amazon. Cable. What do you mean cable? I don't need a new cable. Oh yeah, this cable I do, yeah. But I'll have to solder it manually. No, that wasn't me. Oh my god, who was it? Somebody said expect a parcel tomorrow. I was like, what, on a Sunday? He's like, yeah, it's from Amazon Prime. I was like, oh, thank you. He said you will need it. And it arrived today, yesterday. And I tested it today, and yes, I did need it, and it's working. Not sort of working. Yes, so that's out of the question. But how can I take the motor apart? Taking the circlip off. I know I'll guarantee I'll lose the circlip. I will lose the circlip. Right, remember blue tab down? Yeah, blue tab down. Blue tab down. Yeah, yeah, no worries, mate. I can take the motor apart. And now I'm going to lose that circlip. Also burns up the coils in the motor, causing weak torque. What did you say before that? I have an issue with a lot of dryers. If the motor has too much resistance because everything's not lubed, it'll blow up the motor control board components. Also burns up the coils in the motor, causing a weak torque. So, is it the motor? Like, is there supposed to be that much play in it? I wanted to come now, but if it's rain, this rain is relentless. Can't you do it tomorrow? Surely not. No, I know. I might take the other motor off and have a look. Can you do tomorrow around this time? Yeah. Motors 101. I know, right? I know. All right, let me take off the other motor. Let's have a look. Because it's only the magnet inside, whatever it is, that's wobbling. It's not the actual... I don't know. Clip first, what do you mean? All right, let's have a look at this motor. Have you had a break? No, not yet. Not yet. I've only been streaming for an hour and 52 minutes. But I have been doing stuff all morning though. No, I've not had a break yet. Felix, my head started to hurt. Smaller ones. It's got smaller screw heads. I'm hoping that doesn't affect anything. Ah, so that controls the motor there instead. Anyway, yeah, there's no play at all on that. Zero play. Absolutely zero. Compared to this one, I could feel some slack. You can even hear it, listen. Where this one, I can't even get it to click. So, is that the issue? I don't know. Nice colour windings. But would that make a big difference? I don't know. Surely it won't. But it doesn't spin as freely compared to this one. And that just feels super smooth. I could feel that grinding. Try and see. Just swap the damn motors and try. I can't Society of High. They're not the same. This ribbon cable here splits off to two. One to the motor. And one to the head. And this one has this. And that's to the head. Unless I could manually solder two wires maybe to this motor, but it's got 3 pins. That's a no connect, I assume. Yeah, looks like it's got positive and negative on it. Okay, so I could manually do wires. Could do a motor board swap. No, I have to strip the motor down. I'd rather just switch the whole board. I can do it. I'll have to just do jumper wires for the motor on this one. I'll have to just, from these two here, go into the motor on the other one. Bushing and bearings are worn, must replace. It's worth a go, right? I've got no other option, so let's try it. So that's his cage. So I want to install this. Actually, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. So they're different size back plates that don't work. Well, as long as it melts in there, fine. Not fouls anything, it should be okay, right? Oh yeah, there you go. Is that it? Is that in line? No, not really. Oh yeah. Yeah, like that. Wait, is that the original? No, that's the new one. Oh, it does fit. Hold on. Just got to line it up. Yeah, like that. Let's get one screw in there. Going to use the smaller screws because that's what come out of it for this new motor. These bulbs are pretty much the same size. Swap plates and circuitry. Yeah. Oops. So I've got this. I've got this, guys. Don't worry. Thank you. You're welcome. Right. So that new motor has now been. Well, actually, it works out right. Just about fouls against there. This goes into head. Oh man, come on. Doesn't reach. Well, shit. I'm not doing jumper wires on all of those pins. Come on, you could do it. Give it a stretch. No, that ain't gonna make it. Hello, worms. Is the band spindle the same size? If not, you will hit problems. Yeah, the band spindle's the same size, I think. Yeah, it looks the same size. I know, because of timing. It looks like it's not going to work anyway. Or for science, shall I do jumper wires on every single one? For science. Just telling unrepairable. I know, I'm wasting way too much time. No, I can't bother to do jumper wires every single pin. How many is there? Like 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. What are you doing? I was swapping motors, Phil, but this band won't reach the head on this one. And then I was going to do jumper wires to the motor here from the board. But what make and model? Shit. Pacific, which is our really budget brand. Well, it was in the UK. I don't know about it if it is now. And the model is PV619. PV619. You could splice the ribbon and extend it. I don't know if it's worth it. Does the old cable plug in? What do you mean? Oh, hang on. I might not even be able to do it that way anyway, because that might not even line up with the board where it's slightly out of alignment. Yeah, that's not even going to fit in there anyway. Because this board was not in the same... Or was it? Because of the notch. No, it wasn't even going to work anyway. Oh yeah, it might have. Yes, it might have. Hang on. So that sits like that. Hang on. Yeah, it might have. Hold on. Whereabouts did that sit? Nah, it wouldn't have lined up. it wouldn't have lined up. It's not perfectly aligned. It's like sideways like that slightly. And even if I did have it like that, the holes don't match up. Yeah, the holes do match up. Oh, was that enough clearance? Nah, it's like well off. No, it doesn't. It does on this one. This one it does. It comes off. But the other one doesn't. This one's soldered all on. And you said swap the bearings. I'm not going to take this apart. Looks soldered, Phil. You could power and test each motor. Not worth it. I know it's not worth it. I know. But the motor is gone because that spins lovely. No slack. Oh, actually, hang on. Oh, that one does work. Oh, no, that one does rattle. Oh, maybe the motor is fine. No, maybe the motor is fine. Fuck knows. It's a stepper motor. More often it's power issues, not the motor for rewind. It's for both of them. It's fast forward and rewind. It's struggling both ways. Test the board on motor for any shorts. It won't be shorted because it works. It's just weak. If it was shorted, it would stop it completely. Oh, why is the door still going off? Oh, it's there again. Going out for another fag. You might have a set of coils open circuit. The only thing that controls fast forward and rewind is this section, right? Is it this? No, that one spins freely. It won't be that. It just doesn't sound good. Hello, Super Gamer. That's the sofa gone. What? What do you mean that's the sofa gone? Nah, it's going back together. I'm not licking it. Apply pressure with your heel in boots. What? What's that mean? I'm getting so stressed. Hello. Thank you. One last test. Ow! I say it could even still be the tape, but I don't see how my tape and his tapes will be an issue. Like, the issue is it won't rewind. It won't fast forward now, neither. And the fact that it's still not doing it with my tape as well, then it can't be a tape issue. It could be. No, he gave me this for parts. See if I can replace the motor. Because I said to him, it seems like a weak motor. And he's like, all right, I've got a spare one here. Also with a belt on, which was kind of annoying. Let's try it. To see if I can swap the motor and see if it fixes it. Hello, Nandor. Hello. Right, has this sorted it? I can still hear it struggling slightly. Rewind, or while playing rewind. You guys should be able to hear it as well. My noise cancelling's off. Okay, now stop. Let's try fast forward. It's getting faster. Now it's slowing down. And it's stopping. Stopped. Now it's given up. Can't even fast forward now. Let's try rewind. Or is that motor going to be too hot and be like, nope. Rewind going to work? Well, it is working. Not very fast. Oh, it's picking up. Oh, it's faster than what we had before. Still slow. What's causing this? I don't know, Worms. The tape could be tight. All right, let me open up the tape. I don't think it would be the tape. It could be the tape. Come on. Thank you. Let's see how we can loosen this tape up. Right, before I open it up, is there any springs to be aware of when I open it? Will it just go ping? Let it rewind fully, even from playing to the beginning. Huh? It won't. It just stops rewinding. It just gave up. That's due to tape tightness. Yay, tape disassembly. It's motor shaft hot. Good show. No, motor shaft is not hot. Play and rewind. It didn't stop. That's going to take forever though, Phil. Have I got to do that first? That's going to take forever. Oh, update on my thumb, by the way. That's what it looks like. It's okay. Fixing VCR. Wow, apparently so. It would go everywhere. So I have to rewind it. Arrgh. You guys are going to have to keep me entertained for 2 minutes. Actually, I'll go change my vape battery while I do that then. You guys could just watch it spin around. Right, that's on fast rewind while playing. Yes, on the flap are springs. Thank you. Okay, let me go change my vape battery because it's dead. It literally says low power, check battery. So I'll be back in a jiffy. Turn this off as well. Fine. It's a raining man. Right, is it finished yet? We done yet? He could have zoomed in so we could watch it better. My scene's fine. No, I've not gone for a poo. Bit longer, go again. Oh my god. That's going to take forever. Usually it's the hall sensor that's bad. Well, for speed. So you're telling me that is bad. That's the hall sensor. So I could change that. That's just like it's soldered onto 4 legs and a screw. I could do that. Huh. That's another thing I could try then. Guys, this is going to take forever. Oh, I still got to let that customer know. Oh my god. Alright. Nothing to lose, try it. Alright. If the hall sensor is bad, it cannot tell the speed of the tape. But it plays fine, I think. But that hall sensor, that's got to be spot on, hasn't it? Has that got to be spot on? It can't be too close or too far. Can you adjust the distance? Yeah. Most likely, yeah. That's the only thing that might affect it. I don't want to mess up the distance. Interesting. That's, yeah. What if it's completely out? Well, it's just Hall effect. Oh, yeah. I don't know. You want to call a friend? Yeah. I don't know what to do. Do I replace or adjust the distance slightly, or do I mess around with it at all? Just maybe it's just the tape. Hello, Sean. Just replace it. And what if I can't get the distance correct? I mean, it's literally such the most tiniest gap, so I can't get that wrong, surely. Okay. Let's do that. No, I don't have feeler gauges. I hope I ain't scratched anything doing that. No, it's just plastic. Alright, hopefully I don't have to take it off. Okay, let's try it on this donor board first to make sure I could take it off. Okay, so there's the main screw. Does it move like that? Yes, it does. It wiggles. So let me get my board holders. I'll zoom in a second, guys. Use a piece of paper to grab it. Gap it, yeah. Just like the old Nitro card days. Okay. Very, very unstable. What it'll do is holding it. Okay. Oi, Cuba, watch your mouth. Wait for my iron to warm up. Distance doesn't really matter. I mean, a Hall of sensor can sense like a full inch or more. Oh, okay. Okay. Right. Whoa, these legs are really loose. Okay. I might be better off just wicking it. Wick and lift. What is this, leaded solder they use? Jesus. Insta melt. Probably it's odd, yeah. Probably right, worms. Okay, don't know if that's done it. See if I can take the sensor off. No, it's still attached. Okay, so just gently pry the legs up. Oh, I said gently. Right, that's detached. That's detached, I think. No, that's still attached. Oh my god. Was that detached? Yeah, I think we're detached on that one. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Walk off. That's loose. It's that leg. Hey. Of course, it's old. I don't think it's that old, though. What year was it when they started using leaded? I mean, unleaded. My bad. Right, so we could take that off like that. That's the okay-ish. Now what's this one? 15 foot. What? Shut up, Phil. What are you chatting about? Beautiful. No, you're beautiful. Right. I'm going to do something different this time because it's leaded solder. Dragon Ball Z. Most kids know now about their toys. Now Tide Pods have labels. Tide Pods? No, okay, that's not going to work. I'll just wick it. Just need to turn this at a better angle for myself. There you go. I guess it's good for you guys too. 1 sheet, 2 sheet or more. I want 2 sheet. I want 2 sheet on the table. It's literally killing my wick. I don't know what Tide Pods are. Must be an American thing. The Italian in Melta. Oh, you fucker. Melting the plastic. Can't get a good angle on it. Look, I've melted the connector. So I think we're still okay. Look, melted the connector. I hope that's still okay. I think it is. America, yeah, it is. Oh, is it? 1 sheet is 80 GSM. That'll do. Oh, come on, just get under it maybe. There we go, like that. Okay. Found a better technique. Go under it. Nope. What's it stuck on? Oh, nothing. Oh, okay. So that's maybe a bad one. Maybe bad one. Let's solder the good one back on. So this could be the good one. Oops. Oh, for God's sake. They're not even the same. Wait. No, still not compatible. Did you go to school to learn this stuff? No, I didn't. It was during COVID when I started watching YouTube. And I was just watching it during COVID period. Let's think. Hold on. Whoops. YouTube Advanced. Chat fixes live. It's not the same sensors. The holes are in a different side. You've got one up, one down. Hello, Garrett. I'm just going to give up on this thing. Nothing's compatible. Nothing is compatible. What's frustrating thing? What a frustrating thing to do, try and repair. I know. Oh, I can just cut the plastic, but that means you'll have a float-in hall sensor, which I don't think is advisable. I mean, shall I try cutting it down? Chop that bit off? Still say component will solder, hold it, hot glue it. No, it's not that. Look, it's fouling against the connector. This hole here is supposed to be on the bottom side, but on this one, it's on the top side, which it's fouling. Yeah, cut it, you reckon? This is a spare one anyway, I think. But then it's just going to be a float-in sensor. Okay. Okay. Dremel. I don't have Dremel. How much do I need to cut off? I don't think I need to cut all of it off. How much? Oh yeah, I do need to cut all of it off. Oh, damn it. Rest in peace, guys. You are it. Yeah, get it. But oh, stabilize with hot glue. Oh. Okay. That went well. We've even got the other piece here. We're after a good component in place, not the plastic part mechanically needed. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right, let me solder it back on. Doesn't look pretty at all. So I could probably... How close do we need to be? It was like really close. That feels like it's even touching. I have a feeling this isn't going to work. So you are twins, not pretty together. Why are you being so mean? You could bend the pins under and solder it from the correct side. Oh, you're about fold. Oh, I see what you mean. No, I couldn't have. Could I? No, it's not the pins that are the wrong side. It's just the plastic bit. Don't worry, I've got this. I've got this. Oh my God. Oh no. I've got to cut the nub at the bottom. There's a nub at the bottom.
Oh no!
Damn it. I need to do more modification. The plastic. Ah, you. That's hot. Oh, God, I'm getting hot in here. I need to turn that down. Right. Back. It's getting really hot. Perfect timing. It was good timing. So yeah, it's got a little nub at the bottom there. Like it's supposed to go in one of these holes, locating holes, but I can't. So I'm gonna have to cut that off too. Just trying to shave it down a little bit. Yes, yes. What? In Andy we trust. Now that was funny. Ouch, poor nub. Well, the nub's fine. Okay, I think I'm good now. Now it should sit flat. Should. Cut it. Cut it, twist it. It's such a tight area. I need to hold this thing in. What is going on? That leg is floating. Oh, for God's sake. Right there. That looks good, actually. I'm actually happy with that location. And if this doesn't work, I could always put the original back on. Oh. I'm about to say knock that whole sensor now. Damn it. It's not very still, is it? Is this where I hot glue it? Hot glue, yeah. Let me try and clean this area up first. It's kind of hard because of where it is. I can't even get inside that little bit to clean it properly. Tiny amount of glue, only one way now. What's that? Alert message. Someone's detected at the door, but no one rang. Alright, let me hot glue it, and then I could probably manipulate that a little bit more that way and hold it down like that. Let's try that. That's all I could think of as well. Tiny amount of glue. Okay, hot stick. There it is. Let's go to... Right, how am I going to do this? That's the table gone now. What do you mean?
No. No, you're supposed to stick. No. Oh no!
Shit. Is that going to melt if I put 370 degrees on it? I reckon Tracy is moving the furniture up. Oh, maybe. Dab of Loctite would be better. Don't know. I don't look that stable. I might need a bit more glue on the other side. Oh, it's not even stuck to the board. No, I wasn't going to use glue gun. Nope. Still needs heating up. Oh, is it actually going to stick? I think there might have been IPA still on there or something. Heat up an old screwdriver tip. Ah, that's a good one. That is a good tip. You might have to scratch the board so it sticks better. It's like it's not even solidifying. Why is it not solidifying? Have I got to literally wait here for about an hour? It's not that funny. Two point oh is hilarious. Not gonna lie, this is low-key funny. What? Can I not just like... Don't know, that might be okay. Perfect timing today with Cry Command, yeah. That's not solid. I wouldn't say that's solid. On once, maybe I need to do the other side now. I'll just put a dollop in there and then heat it with the hot gun. I mean, heat it with my hot air station. Tries quick. Oh. I think she's ready, guys. Not yet. I've got to do this side. Here we go.
Andy's the best.
Thanks, Russ. Don't know where it's going. It's going wherever it wants to sit. Does it want to sit there? It can sit there if it wants. It can sit there if it wants, that's fine. Guys, recommend me a good digital microscope that I could connect my stereo microscope to. Do I just wait till that cools? The wheel still spins, right? Yeah. No idea what the gappage will be like. Looks alright. Can you see the gap? I mean, yeah, is that okay? That looks like quite a nice gap. It's best to have hot glue it with a fine needle tip, by the way. Yeah, then I could probably prod it in there. Is it still liquefied? Yeah. We'll see. Wait for that to solidify properly. Close enough. Okay. Oh. Rain, rain, go away. It's actually getting pretty chilly in here. It's weird, I'm hot, but I'm cold. Because you're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no, you're in and you're out. No. I can't, sorry, due to copyright. But that would be nice. Right, let's just try that. Let's see what happens. If it dies, it dies. And I think I'm out of juice because this is tasting so burnt now. Yeah. Mmm. Lovely. You play Jingle Bells on my piano? Well, my piano is crushed. It's no good. I accidentally slept with it and I crushed it. How could Christmas be copyrighted? That's crazy. I don't know if it is or not. It would be, I assume. Right, watch my tape get screwed up completely now. It's all out of alignment. If that does fix it, I'll cake it more with hot glue. I'll be happy even if it plays. Oh, here we go. Merry Rebornmas. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, still plays. Right, let's go forward. Okay, go backwards. I think it's still going to do it because I can hear it struggling still. Right, stop. Fast forward, ready? Nope, nothing. Still sticking. Still won't do it. Rewind.
Oh no!
Nah, it won't even rewind. It's so struggling. Ugh. Yep, this thing does suck. I've got to put that old sensor back on. Nah, I'm done with this shitty thing. I can't. Yeah, exactly, James. I'll put it straight in that pile. I've got a little bit of a collection going on there. The complete rejected pile. I've got two things already in the complete reject pile. That's actually annoying. So annoying. All right, let's just get this off and put the original back on. Bit of IPA first. Let's put the original back on with the screw and the locating pin there. Just there. I didn't realize it's got locating pins at the bottom, so it's actually okay. I used the VHS player about I know a used one is. I know. I don't know why he's desperate to get this one done. I really don't understand. So I'm just screwing in the screw. There we go. Oh, what? Have I put the wrong screw in there? I might have, because that's fully tightened down, but it's not tightening it right down. Are they the same length? No, they're the same screws. Yeah, 100%. Definitely cheaper to... There you go. Perfect. Like nothing's ever happened, apart from a bit of melting on the connector. Well, I tried. What more can I do? It seems like a motor current driver problem. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Bloody thing's cutting out like mad. They're free on market. Of course they are. I really don't understand. Maybe it's a sentimental value thing to him. Let me just see if it works again before I put it away. Put the top on the lid. Oh. Make sure it's not chewing up anything. No, Phil. I changed the Hall effect sensor on it and it still didn't work. Let's play in. Stop. Fast forward. Nah, struggling. Okay, rewind. No, it gave up. Still the same thing. I pressed eject, so I don't know why it's not ejecting yet. There you go. Yeah, that's going in the bin. Where's the tape? I know, Phil. I know. I tried. I tried and I cried and I don't know what else rhymes with cried. I lied. Even Santa can't fix it. No, maybe though for Christmas you might get lucky and you might get a new one for Christmas. You never know. It depends if he's been a good boy. Don't know if he has been a good boy or not. Good old mechanical donkey keys. Toy keys? What? Simple to open. That's a no-go. Now have I got to put his Hall effect sensor back onto his old one? Oh, I better put the motor on first as well. Oh, I've cut it completely off, haven't I? So that's not going to be able to stay on there very well. Did you like? No, I did not. No, I definitely didn't take a poo earlier. I did not. I don't care how bad this is. Gets put on. This is a donor one anyway. Oh, there's no solder on it. There is on that one. Oh God, a blind bodger. Hi, blind. Cool. That's on there. Good enough. Yes, blind. I can see, you little shit. You lied about. Yeah. Hi, everyone. Oh, look, Santa, small helper. Huh? Hello, Microsoft blind as well.
Oh no!
What do you mean? Oh no. Oh no, they're here. Yeah.
I've got a really small one.
Have you? What the hell? Oh, did that go that way? I actually don't know. Which orientation did this sit?
And he's the best.
Thanks, Russ. Ah, yeah, that way. Is it? No, it wasn't that way, was it? Because of that? No. Kind of feels like it's there, but it's not. It won't be there because that's a mechanical moving part and it doesn't move the board. It must be that way. No, because then it'll foul against that. I'm so confused. This way? Ah, yes. Like that. Okay, got it. Yes, and the screws line up. See, what was wrong with this one? Why did he take this one apart? That's what I want to know. What was the issue with this one? Same? I didn't know. I didn't open my advent calendar. I don't have one this year. Girls did, not me. I see what you mean about the texture on this idle pulley now, by the way. It's not super shiny though, but it's not textured. Maybe it is, but with the eye you can't really see. Won't fast forward neither. Wouldn't fast forward in this case, but the original issue apparently wouldn't rewind, but when I tested it, it didn't do neither. Well, it did. It fast forwarded, but very badly struggled. Now it just struggles like mad. So I had an Xbox HDMI to do today, and when he turned up and he said, "Oh, this has been done about 2 years ago, but it's now really loose," and I was like, "Yeah," I said, "That shouldn't really be loose inside there." And it turns out the person that did it used low melt solder, 200 degrees, and I had my hot air gun on to test it because I solder sucked it all off. I used my hot air gun, and yeah, it melted at 200C. So I was like, that's why it failed. Oh, I reckon he's getting them out of a dumpster. What's the name of that actress on that film? Want to Google to see what she looks like now? God, yeah, she looks terrible. Her name is... I don't know, where would it say? Is it in all this bit? I can't even read that writing. It's so squished up. China Northrock? Cynthia Northrock. Cynthia Northrock. I assume that's her name. At the top. Oh. Yeah, Cynthia Northrock. VCR must be at least 20 years old. Yeah, it's pointless. Better plug that back. Ah, you fuck, that was my knee. Ah. I just gave myself a dead leg in my knee. Alright, where did this plug into? Into there. And then this plugged into that. Okay. No good. Sorry, mate. I did try. Still a no go. Yeah, that's it. Guess that's it. That's it. Nothing else. I have nothing else. I'm sorry. I've got my Christmas tree though. Feels very Christmassy. Mine's on too, yeah. Woo, disco, let's go. Blue's mostly missing for some reason, and it's very dodgy. Oh, mine isn't. Oh, what? I've had mine all day. actually, that doesn't really seem to be doing very well. It's hot. Yeah, I've got nothing else to do. I'm sorry. That tablet that wasn't working is working. It's just a screen issue. Tape player I can't do. I've got the Xbox back, which I'm waiting for a chip again. Did you order parts for the soundbar? Soundbar? Oh, this thing down here, the sub. Yeah. That's the point. I could put these back on, the resistors that are blown. I forgot. I think I was prepping it while I was on call, conference call. Cynthia, apparently martial arts expert, world champion 5 times. No. That's crazy. Yeah, so I could replace R77, R34, and I think, did I order the Q10? I think I did. I think I've ordered those and the diode behind it, but I could replace these two. No, it's not a PS5. This the PS5 spicy boot. What do you mean? Motherboard. Is it from AliExpress? I need to do one of them. Microsoft Blind. All right, yeah. Yeah, it is. Right, let's see what Ben said they were, because he looked up on Google, because there's a common issue. And I think I took a screenshot of the values. Yes. So R77 is 1R00. That's an R. So that is a 1 ohm. So, and what size package did you say? Package size? 1206, maybe. Let me go get my 1206 resistors.
I've got a really small one.
Have you? 1206. What size are these? 063s. 1206. 1 ohm resistor. Let's have a look. Small package. Ooh, act fast. Title. Oh, for God's sake. I'm only just putting 2 resistors on. There's nothing really else I could do. It was a... What brand is it? Not Bose, was it? What brand was it? Sonos. That's it, it was Sonos. Happy. God, today's gone so fast. Right, 1 ohm. What would that be? 1R. There you go. 1R00. I've got a direct replacement. Let's go. Now I've just got to get one out. Oh, I've already used 2. Why have I already used 2? I can't remember what I bought these for, but I've used 2 of them. There you go. The thumb killer. Yeah, this is, yeah, bloody killed me. I cried so much when I come off stream. Oh, guess what I've ordered? You guys are going to think I'm very sensible. On the R5. I remember using 2 of them, but I can't remember. Oh, yeah, it's the Rocket 5, wasn't it? That was it.
Wow.
No, not another tree. So, I've ordered one of these. They're well cheap, £15. Hold on, wait. And I've also ordered, very slow at loading, one of these fire blanket, just in case I get caught on fire and I can wrap myself in it. No, not really. And most of all, one of these 40 plasters and other bandages and stuff. Yeah, happy days. So if I do cut my finger, I could perform first aid on myself. Sensible. It is, yeah, being smart. First time ever, right? It's right next to a capacitor. I don't like that. Where's my shield? Still not really gonna. Ah, perfect. Nope. I can't get in there now. I am only on 370, so I don't know what it's going to be like on this board. Ow! 440, 70%. Is this welded itself? Wow. That was hot. Fire garden hat. Hard hat. What? Tracy could be in the nurse. Hang on, I've missed loads. Let's hope you don't need to use it. No, I know. Hello, Aliu. Don't like your name being changed. Just need the high vis with the first aider on the back now. I used to be a fire marshal. Everyone's saying hello. No saying hello, please. Tracy could be the nurse. Yes, could do a fire warden band on your arm. Just let everyone know that you're who the fire warden is. Fire Carden hard hat. Plus, he could wear his Tufty badge. Warden. Yeah, who changed my name? YouTube did. YouTube is gay. Who changed my name? Who changed my name? Hello, Joe. You need a bucket of sand if working with LiPo batteries. Now, is it LiPo or LiPo? I like saying LiPo. I'll do what the cool kids do. They solder it by hand. Oh my god, that thing's lifting up in the air. How the hell did you get it flat then? Like that. What the fudge? I making it 10 times worse. Oh, hey, there you go. Perfect. Now I've got to tidy up the edges because there's way too much solder on it. £1 without solder and slide it in. Oh, I didn't do it the cool kids way. Oh wow. Well, it's done now anyway. Have you actually fixed anything today, Andy? Yes, I have. I fixed an Xbox and a PS5 because that's what all YouTubers do. All they ever do is PlayStations and Xboxes because it's the easiest things to do. See, with me, I try tackle anything I can. And yes, most of the time it is no fix. because I try and show everything that I do. You cheeky little shit. Good lad. I've already made like £140, I think. So it's okay. Got a day's wage out of it. Leaky cap. What? Where? What, that sticky outy bit? No, I think... No, that's fine. Don't know what that is. Bit of the skin. Skin damage. Next is this one. What did he say this one was? Is it 7P1? No, it's R37. It's 1,000 ohms, so 1 kilo ohm. So if I find a 1K resistor, what package size did he say it was? He doesn't say, he just says small. I've got a really small one. No, 063 most likely.
I've got a really small one.
Have you? Would it be that size? Would it be the next one? Yeah, it'll be that size.
Oh no!
063, yeah. Oh no. Where's 1K? 10Ks? 470K? I don't like how they've packaged these. They're all just springing out everywhere. 3K3, zero ohm resistors. 170, 15K. It's not even in order. Oh, damn, is that 11K? That's 11K. Hey, 100,000. Oh, that's 100K. One M. Is that 1 mega ohm? 3K. 2. 1. Oh, 51. 2K. Oh, come on, find a 1K. 22R. No. A 100R. That's just 100 ohms. 1R. 10K. 22K. Oh, don't be the last one, honestly. $2K2. 22. Aha. I don't have a 1K. 1K's in here, right? Yeah. I do have a 1K ohm. So why can't I find it? Start again. See, what else would they label it as 1K? It wouldn't be 10R, will it? That would be 10 ohms. They haven't marked it as 100 ohms. I mean, 100, 10, that, wait, what did he say it was? 10K? Fuck's sake. 1,000 ohm? Yeah, so that should be 1K. Oh, John, I'm going to take all these out. Be easier to do it this way. All right. 10R. Just need a 1K, please. Customer. La, copyright. Hello, Swindon Electronic Repairs. Yep. Yep. I don't, I'm afraid. No, I don't modify anything unless it's factory. Just for safety purposes, really. I have no idea. All right, no worries. Thank you. Bye. Wants me to modify a controller for a fish baiting boat.
Oh no!
Fishing boat. 10k O, 1k 1000 ohm. 100R. No, that's not one. 102s. Oh. No, that's just 1R. 10k, 22, 15k, 3k, 2k, 2R2. Wait, 1k. There it is. It's hiding. Oh, shit. Oh, no, just. Is that it? Yeah. Found it. Now I've got to try and fit all these back in. Right, that's that done. Oh, I put it away and I needed one. So I was just trying to get the resistor out of the packet. I'm kind of struggling. There you go. Well, feels like I've pulled back the wrong thing. Pulled it back too much. It's like actual material. Cool. There you go. 101B. What the fudge is that sort of reading? So glad I bought these resistors now. It's resisting 01B equals what? Yeah, I know, but it's such a weird reading for it. Where's the B coming from? So that's those two sorted. There's two more components which I'm waiting for to be delivered, and then hopefully it would fix it. Although those tracks do look dirty, there is continuity between there. A1, B2, Z26. Oh, okay, I see. Thank you. Yeah, so that's failed. This one, which I didn't actually check these. Ben just told me it's a common fault for these to fail, and it actually is. This was blown open. This was like in the meg ohms when it's supposed to be 0 ohm. So let's try it now. Yep, it's 0 ohm. This, if I go into beep mode, is shorted, which is right, and all these other ones are fine. I've tested them. And this one's even fine, although it's burnt. There is continuity going between it all. Also the diode on the back, the main big boy diode, is shorted. It's just 2 more components to go. Then I think we're good. Would be easier for me if they did. What's that? Good job they don't use hexadecimal. I know hex. What, you know all the colours? So I was just waiting for those 2 components and then it should be good. Should be affixed. But I'm still run out of stuff to do. Colours? No. Hex and octal. I thought hex code is colours. They're right colours in hex. Oh. Right, guys. Well, that's it then for me. I'm out of stuff until more parts arrive. Hopefully tomorrow. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully someone else can stream. I'm actually getting tired. I've had nothing to eat. I need a break. I've been doing it since, well, done stuff since, I think it was about at 11:15 I started. Maybe. You're welcome. Thanks, Carthor. Thanks all the other lurkers out there. I appreciate you all for watching and staying tuned. Joe, you're welcome. Thank you. Thanks, Rusty Russ. Colours are easy. Yeah, you got red, blue, green, yellow, gold. I know all my colours. Aussie, see you laters. Falcon. I think I already said bye, Falcon. Maybe not. You're welcome. Right, is that everyone? Can I go now? Oh, Michael, thank you for the donation, mate. I mean the memberships. Thank you so much. Aliu, Microsoft Buy, I know you all are. Sean, bye. Philip, bye. I'll message you in a minute, mate. Right, I'm going now. Oh, Andrew Thompson, squeezing in there. Thank you. Right, I'm going now, guys. I'm bloody knackered. I need something to eat, drink, sleep. I'm going now in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.